In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Zoom meeting, a simple yet essential skill for staying connected with colleagues, friends, and family in our increasingly virtual world. Whether you're organizing a work meeting, hosting an online class, or just catching up with loved ones, Zoom offers a seamless platform to communicate and collaborate. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoom website by typing in app.zoom.us. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a Sign In option located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In to proceed to the login page. For those of you who prefer a quick and easy sign-in process, Zoom allows you to sign in with a Google account. On the login screen, you'll see multiple sign-in options, including the option to log in with Google. Click on the Google icon to continue. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, you may not need to re-enter your Google credentials, which makes this a convenient option. After clicking the Google icon, you'll be redirected to the Google authentication page. Here you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Choose the account you wish to use for your Zoom sessions. If prompted, you may need to enter your password and allow permissions for Zoom to access your Google account. This quick authentication process links your Zoom account with your Google profile, making future logins seamless. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoom home screen. This is your central hub for all your Zoom activities. From here, let's focus on starting a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button, normally situated towards the top of the screen. Clicking on New Meeting instantly initiates a virtual session, complete with an automatically generated meeting ID and password for added security. Your new meeting will open up in a dedicated window. At this stage, you have the opportunity to invite participants. Use the shareable link or the invite option within the Zoom interface to send out meeting details to your colleagues or friends, ensuring everyone has easy access to your meeting. That's all it takes to get a Zoom meeting up and running. Starting a Zoom meeting doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few clicks, you can connect with anyone, anywhere. For those who regularly host meetings, keep this process in mind. It's efficient, helps reduce setup time, and makes your virtual engagements smoother. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your virtual communication skills, and thank you for watching.